Hi everyone, and welcome to this new video. A lot of people are making hell a lot of money just by creating and posting faceless videos. In this video, I'll be showing you how we can do the same, and the good part is everything will be automated, so you don't need to care about anything. Everything gonna be smooth and everything gonna be easy. So first, let's check some viral videos. A lot of videos here are making like literally they're going viral though. There's a video of them, okay? And there is a lot more because there's a lot of accounts that's doing the same and they're really getting viral like every day. And in this video, we'll be using Blotato. Here's the platform that we'll be using, and of course we'll be using their APIs, and of course we'll be using n8n. So in this particular workflow, we can manage all this automatically. So you don't care, you only to care about how to create the videos because this workflow will do this for you. Let's dive into it. So first of all, the workflow, I will put it in the description. Okay, it's 100% free and you can use it, install it, and you can just upload it here. You can click here and then import file, and you can just put the file here and you'll have the same thing that I have here. Okay, so let's try to explain what's really going on here. Okay, so the first one is the trigger. Okay, so for me, I would like to post videos each hour or maybe video a day, so you can configure it as you want. Okay, so I'm putting video a day. All right. Okay, so right after that we have the AI agent. Okay, so here we prepared like the prompt for generating the video. Okay, so just giving some instructions so how you can create the video. Okay, so the videos will be about famous person. Okay, like random famous person. Okay, so it will be 3 scenes, and each scene with his own like description. All right, so just after that, okay, of course we're connecting the like the OpenAI model. Okay, it's like GPT-4o, and right after that we just preparing the video. Okay, so here's the JSON file that you can use. So normally you don't need to change anything of this. You can just change the API key that I will show you how you can get it. Okay, so to get your own API, you just need to go to my.blotato.com/settings and then go to APIs, and then just try to copy the API from here and just paste it here, and yeah, everything gonna be good to go. All right, so you just paste it here. All right, let's do it for me. Okay, I don't copy it. Okay, it's already there. All right. So just after that, you can like customize this like up to you. Okay, so for me, I keep it the same. Okay, you can go to the documentation here, and you can customize it. Okay, create video. Okay, this one you can customize it as you want. Okay, or you can keep it the same. All right. So just after that, we do the video creation. Okay, so this is the HTTP request. All right, so it's obviously you don't need to change anything. You just need to configure your API key. By the way, I already configured in the prepared video, and then we'll just wait a little bit, around 50 seconds or 20 seconds each week, and we can wait. Of course, we can make it more. Maybe 30 seconds would be good. All right, and then we get the video URL. All right. Okay, so here just using this URL to get the video ID that we want. All right, and then we're preparing to publish the video in all the platform. Okay, so this one is really good part. Okay, here you'll find all the IDs of your accounts. All right, so if we get back here to Blotato and then go to accounts, we can have this list. Okay, you can connect all of your accounts. So if you have like a TikTok account, you just need to log in with TikTok, and then you can have your own ID. Just try to copy from here, and yeah, just try to add it here and it will work. All right, so obviously that's it, and then we just upload to Blotato, like uploading the video to Blotato and post it to our social media platform that we want. For me, I'm just using like Instagram and YouTube and maybe TikTok, okay? And you can use whatever platform you want. Yeah, and obviously that's it. So he published the video automatically to the platform that you gave him. Okay, so let's just try to give it a test. By the way, you can customize this as you want. If you, for example, want like 10 videos per day, he can do that. So, but for me, I prefer to have like 1 or 2 videos. So if they can take their time to go viral. All right, so let's just try to choose a character to do the video for. Let's say about Ragnar Lothbrok, for example. Why not? Okay, and just try to test the workflow and check the result out. Okay, it's a cute workflow. I'll just need a little bit and we will see the result. Okay, so the video just been published. All right, so if we go here and check, here's it. We'll see the video. Okay, so it's about Ragnar
really exist. Many stories say he was a famous Viking hero, known for his many adventures. Historians...
Exactly. And that's really good. So, as I said, I'll put the link of the workflow in the description. It's totally free. You can use it and you can change it up to you. And of course, like Blotato adds something else. Now you can use their node. So if you just try to like update the version of the n8n that you're using, you can see this Blotato node. There's the first one for creating a post and the second one for uploading media. I will do a video about it later. It's really like good and useful. So if you don't know how to use like the documentation, if you don't know how to use like their API or their docs, you can just directly use your node, and that's really great. So you just need to connect your credentials, and yes, you can choose like the operation create, for example, and then you choose like Instagram or whatever, and then you choose your account that you're gonna use, okay? And yes, you just put the URL of the media and you post it. So to be real, this is really helpful because I use like the Meta APIs, and to be real, this is the best way is to use Blotato. It's really save you a lot of time and of course a lot of effort. So I prefer to use it. And yeah, that's it for the video. So I hope you like it, and of course I hope you subscribe to the channel, okay? Because we're getting better like video by video. And thank you for watching this video. So thank you and see you in the next video.